Come through the turnstile with me and visit Expo in the dimension of sound. Let's begin with the National Pavilions, where our ears sample exotic sounds from the world's far corners. We're hearing the music of Africa as we stroll through the cluster of pavilions in Africa Place. This red roof pavilion is Ethiopia's. Let's stop a moment and watch a Tunisian craftsman decorate an inlaid plate.
भारत में आप स्वागत है. You are welcome in India.
This is the pavilion of the Republic of China. How do you like the dresses being modeled by the lovely young ladies? Dancers are whirling to the beat of drums in the theater of Trinidad, Tobago, and Grenada. It's exciting, isn't it?
Baruch haba Israel. Welcome to Israel.
We're now in Iran's beautiful pavilion of blue mosaic tile. There are 62 national pavilions out here at Expo, and what a study in contrast they are. But you know, as we walk through, I keep thinking how much people are really alike. They enjoy beauty, try to find happiness, and take pride in their material progress. Here's Austria, where an unusual film is projecting sketches of Austria's past and present on 4 walls of a theater. From here, we'll go to Mauritius. Listen.
Where is Mauritius?
Mauritius is a very, very small island in the Indian Ocean.
Now we're watching a tropical thunderstorm staged by Uganda in a realistic jungle setting. We're inside the glimmering dome of the United States, where a film is picturing children's games. In the Soviet pavilion, we watch a grinding machine operate. Let's visit the fashion show to enjoy modeling and music.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Moscow House of Fashions welcomes you.
Hey, how do you like those sombrero musicians serenading us in front of the Mexican pavilion?
War has begun to exist. Around the great lantern tower, in the labyrinth of roofs spiked with towers and chimneys, we seem to see a city growing between the earth and the sky.
We're in the French Pavilion, where a crowd is gathered before a model of the Chateau de Chambord. Those bells are over there on the Netherlands Pavilion. We're watching a Vermont sculptor cut a statue of the explorer Champlain from gray granite. Our feet revive on an electric massage near Australia's entrance. Upstairs, we sink into a talking chair. Its voice is Sir Robert Menzies.
Well, I must say that I'm delighted to be with you, even though it is in a rather disembodied fashion, isn't it?
An Indian brave in feathered headdress is dancing in the Arts Center. Here, Canada presents its history in a magnificent stage spectacular. And there's always at least one red-coated Mountie riding around in the Canadian area. That's a group of Montreal school children singing by the river near the British Pavilion. Oh, be sure to get your Expo passport stamp before we leave Scandinavia. There are so many beautiful fountains out here. You want a picture of that one? On to the theme pavilions now. Let's take the mini rail. You're hearing an electronic sculpture outside Man the Explorer, where we're headed next.
Man is forever searching.
We're walking on glass above the lighted ocean floor.
Man sails the ocean. He prepares to journey into space.
3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Lift off. Lift off. And 34 minutes after the hour.
Roger, have you finished eating lunch yet?
It takes at least an hour.
1 hour for eating, Roger, and about 10 minutes extra for exercising.
That's Roger.
That's an electronic counter ticking off 2 births a second, the world's population increase. We're still in Man the Explorer, watching a film on life in the polar regions. In Labyrinth, a native is paddling a canoe across 5 movie screens through a spine-tingling jungle.